we're ready to add in our player, and we're going to click on this button here right on the link, just like we did to get our tiles. And you're going to see several different types of characters that are available to you for this project. You can pick any of these, and what you would do with them, just like in the past, is you're going to go ahead and right click on it and download it. Go ahead and save that. I'm going to come back and click on my Unity game and open up my Finder and go to my downloads. And right here is my fish tile. I have my sprite folder already open, so I'm just going to drag my fish tile right in there. And then I can take my fish tile and drag it into the game. Here's a perfect example of our player not showing up. So we can go ahead and in our sorting layers, add in sorting layers or change in a 1 to have our player start to show up. We now have our fish in or your player, and I'm going to do a couple things really quick. So making sure my player is selected, I'm actually going to come in and call that a player. And then this big blue background, I'm actually going to call that background. And this way I know what each thing represents. Coming back to the player, we're going to add in a rigid body 2D. And we're going to take that gravity scale off, make it 0. And then we're going to add in a collider here. And the collider that you want to add in is called a polygon collider 2D. That polygon collider then forms to the shape of the fish. And this one does not look like it is working. This is where the tool up here I told you about that kind of lets us edit our polygon collider. I can come in and make the, oh, there we go. Starting to show around there. If I'm okay with it kind of being on the outside of my player, that's fine. Otherwise, remember, we can pick those little dots and move things in so it fits our player a little bit better than what it had before. Just finishing that up. Now if I want to, I can add a point in here. And this one, last one there. So now we are all set and we've edited our polygon collider. It fits our fish really well.